Hey, my soul friends, it's Maria here. Tell me who you are, where you're coming in from, if you're watching this live or you're watching the replay. But I have a question for you, and it is, are you tired of worry? Are you tired of worrying? Are you tired of going into that place, that anxious place, and just allowing those worried thoughts to take over? You know what I'm talking about? So, yeah, I do. I know full well what I'm talking about. I'm speaking from experience. So when you're here, let me know, right? Are you tired of worrying? Are you tired of your mind kind of just like hijacking you? Like these worried thoughts, hijacking your mind, hijacking your heart, your body, your emotional state, so that it kind of takes over and you want to do something else. You want to think another way. You want to be another way. You've got chores to do or you've got work to get done. And yet this worry hijacks you. It confiscates your heart. Can you identify with this? Let me know. Let's see. Who all is here? I'm Maria, spiritual director, and I have a ministry called The Deeper Connection, and I'm here to serve you, to help you connect more deeply with God, with your truest self, and with others. So if you struggle with worried thoughts, with negative thinking, with those types of thoughts that will pull you down or hold you back, keep you stuck, where you feel burdened, kind of take over. It could even be from the very soon as you wake up in the morning. It's like the first thing that comes there is whatever is on the top of your list as far as worry goes. Concerned about a family member, concerned about a task or meeting for that day. But it's often more insidious than that. Worry is very insidious. It's, like I said, it just kind of takes over your mind, and then with stories that play out in your mind, but not in real life. So if you can identify with this, I'm offering a workshop Saturday, July 22nd from 10 to 12 Eastern Time, 10 a.m., 12 p.m. Eastern Time, New Life Centering Prayer Workshop. Do you want to stay trapped by these worried thoughts? Do you want to stay trapped in this place of being consumed by negative stuff, by chaotic thinking, whatever it might be? Do you want to stay trapped there? No, I don't think so. Otherwise, you wouldn't even be watching this video right now. So it's called a New Life Centering Prayer Workshop. I'm going to be sharing some really important information with you so that you can expand your mind into how you can really change your life and change your thinking. And also, if you do centering prayer, bring your questions, bring your blocks, like whatever blockage you have or whatever resistance you have to contemplative prayer or centering prayer or silence and meditation. Bring it all with you. And you will, when you register for the workshop, you're going to receive the link for the Zoom Live, and you're also going to receive a link to download a brand new audio track that I did. And it's just for you. You're going to be like the first group that gets it and is able to download it on any of your devices and keep it for free. And then, keep it. And then if you can't be there at the live, no worries. When you register, you'll get the link, but then I will send you out the link for the replay so you can watch it whenever you'd like. You watch it at your convenience. So I know more people than not need to be there. I'm really excited about this workshop. Again, you don't have to be hijacked. Your life does not have to be hijacked with worry and anxiety and those stories that play out in your mind and really confiscate your heart, confiscate you emotionally. But there's a way through it. There is a way through it. And sometimes we have that resistance to the way through it, but that's okay. We're going to deal with all of that. By the end of the workshop, you are going to have a plan, so to speak. You're going to have a way and a way to move through your day from first thing in the morning to right before you go to sleep. And you're going to have support from other soul friends and from me. And you will not have to be hijacked by that worry brain anymore. So, peace be with you, dear ones. Go to my website, thedeeperconnection.org. In fact, I will put a link in the comments below this video, and you can register. And it's only $37, and it goes to support this work and all that goes into it. So if that's good, and you're actually giving it back to yourself because all of my work is here to support you. So I'm so excited to be doing this and to see you there. Peace be with you. Many blessings. And onward, upward, and inward.